forgot about this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I need to quickly do 2-strand twist on my hair, and I just washed my hair, but I want to try just this method. I hope it goes well. I want to just go ahead and moisturize my hair now, and then instead of stretching it in any way, I will just pat it and start twisting. So I don't usually do that. I usually moisturize first and then I pat it and then I braid it or twist it or something and then I start twisting. But I'm not going to do that today, so I hope that the shrinkage is not too much. So I'm going to use my leave-in conditioner. I'm using this XHC. This is the one that I'm currently using. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that. Now I'm going to use a little bit of this is my whipped shea butter, and you can go ahead and apply that to your hair. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'll repeat the same thing here. Now I'm going to still apply some more hair butter to my hair as I twist each section, because I've not taken my time to apply the hair cream, that's the hair butter. But for now, because I'm trying to see how much time I spend here, and I don't want the time to exceed 1 hour 30 minutes. So because of that, I'm just going to do it a little bit now, and then where I need to moisturize again, I'm going to do that. My hair is soaking wet, guys. I literally just came out from washing. So now I have the 2 sections at the back. Tie off one section and then go ahead and moisturize this other section. the back, and I have spent around 30 minutes so far. I hope, yep, I've spent around 30 minutes so far. So I am going to go ahead and do this front part, but hopefully I do another 30-40 minutes for the front. Eh? We yo I forgot about this. Sheesh. So I finished the part that I left out, and I'm going to go ahead and do the front. So I'm finally on the last portion. I need to pack this. And while I twist, I want to quickly say that obviously you will get different results depending on the state of your hair when you twist it. So if you are twisting on blow dried hair, your results will be different from if you are twisting on wet hair. And also if you are twisting on wet hair, your results will be different from if you are twisting on shrunken hair. So it all depends on how your hair looks before or when you twist it. We're done. They are so light, like I'm not even going to lie, I feel like this is the shortest time I've spent twisting my hair in terms of moisturizing and twisting and everything. This didn't take time at all, and I know it took around maybe 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours, but I still feel like I didn't spend so much time. So yeah. My god, this is so pretty. The benefit of using whipped shea butter to twist your hair is that at the end of the day, your twist will be very, very light and fluffy, and your hair won't feel heavy on your head at all. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.